Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your brand pattern for fabric mockups using Placeit step by step clearly. Open Placeit in your web browser. Log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Navigate to the Mockups section on the homepage. Use the search bar to find fabric mockups that suit your needs. Select the fabric mockup you wish to customize. Click on the mockup to open the customization interface. In the customization panel, look for the option to upload your design. Prepare your brand pattern file in a compatible format, such as PNG or JPG. Click the upload button and select your brand pattern file. Once the file uploads, you'll see a preview of your design on the mockup. Adjust the size and position of your pattern using the provided tools. Use the transparency, rotation, and color options if necessary to enhance your design. Once you are satisfied with how it looks, click on the download button. Choose your preferred resolution and file format for the final download. After the file is processed, it will be ready for you to download to your device. Save the downloaded file in a location you can easily access. Now, you can use your customized fabric mockup for your branding needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.